Hi, I'm Elle McCann from Curious Themes Web Development Studio in Nashville, Tennessee. And in this video tutorial, we are going to set up the Instagram sales channel for our Shopify store. So you can see over here in the left-hand side menu that I already have the Facebook sales channel and the Pinterest sales channel already set up. I actually have video tutorials for those as well, so I will link them in the description below this video. So if you don't have those set up, I definitely recommend doing that as well. So the Facebook one, it'll actually create a store tab on your Facebook page so people can buy directly from Facebook. And Pinterest, it'll set up buyable pins so people can buy directly from Pinterest as well. So we're going to do that, but for Instagram this time. So to set up the Instagram sales channel, we are just going to click on this plus icon next to sales channels. And it's popping up all of the different ones that are available. So we'll scroll down and we will choose Instagram, and I'm just going to hit add. So it's instantly prompting us to approve that it's going to be able to manage our marketing and other data with connecting this to Instagram. So we'll just hit add sales channel. And then now we need to connect it to our Facebook. So this is because Instagram and Facebook are connected. So whenever you're running ads on Facebook now, you can actually choose to run the ads on Instagram. So we'll go through and we'll hit connect to Facebook. I'm going to continue and hit OK. So it's automatically connected it to our Tomo Facebook page since that's the Facebook channel that we have set up over here. So it's automatically already connecting all of that. So now it's under review and it's just going to take a few days to get everything back. And then once that is reviewed, then we'll be able to go in and edit some more of these options. So it's been a few days now and Instagram has approved our account to link in with our Facebook store and our Shopify site. So we can see now on the Instagram, so I'm still back here on Instagram in the left-hand menu, and you can see that it has now gone away the approval message, and we can just see this information about how to connect up your product catalog. So it shows you this quick little image here of going through it, but we're going to actually switch to my phone now, and I will show you how to go in and sync up your product catalog with Instagram. So once you're on your business Instagram account, you're going to go to options in the top right hand corner and then scroll down till you get to the shopping section. And then once you click on that, you'll see your store there that you'll go in and you will select that that's the store you want to link to. So by doing this, it's going to automatically add in your products so that you can link them through to your Instagram images as you upload them. So now we'll go through setting up a Instagram post, and we will go in and just set it up like how you normally would. However, we have this additional step, which is going to be to go in and tag the products. And then here you'll see that there's a section now of tag products. So whenever we click on this, it'll pop up all of the products that are in our catalog that are synced in through Instagram. You'll choose which one you want to relate to the product that's in your Instagram post. And once you have that selected, you'll then continue on with finishing up your Instagram post and putting in your description exactly how you would like it to be. So then we'll go ahead and now look at this post once it's live on our Instagram feed. And you can see now that there's a little pop-up. If you hit the little button for the bag, you can see the pop-up that shows the product right there, the details of the name and the price. If you click on that, it'll take you to a shopping page that you're still inside Instagram for, and you can see a little bit more information about the product, and then you see the Shop Now tab. So once you click on the Shop Now tab, it takes you to your actual site and the product page that you've linked it to. So this is great because traditionally with Instagram, you can't really do links. You have to do a lot more of the link in the description or link in bio. So this lets you have an actual link to your products on your individual posts. So this is a huge thing to do for your Instagram and Shopify store and connecting the two. I highly recommend it if you are wanting to really promote your brand on Instagram and getting that set up. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to get more video tips all about Shopify and how to grow your online store.